Ever since I could remember, I've been fascinated by tall buildings, elevators, and parking garages. Now I'm sharing it with you. Welcome to DEVM. Unknown elevator at Indiana University Hospital in downtown Indianapolis. I have my co-host with me today, Melissa. And oops, I'm watching where I'm going, but apparently not. Ooh, this is like the parking garage elevator. Wow, I think this is a 2-speed door. Yeah, it is.
It says elevator 18.
Wow. Oh. Let's get on. Oh, don't you dare. Now, why don't you press 1? This kind of looks like it smells like a hydraulic. It kind of looks like the one at the front of the building, or the outpatient elevators. Wow. Cool. Alright, we'll get out and we'll film it closing, and then that'll be it for this episode. Are you out?
I'm out.
Alright. Thank you all so much for watching.
Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that elevator. We had a good time filming it. And actually, before we go, we're going to just drive through downtown, I guess. And we're finally uploading the episode today. We've had some technical issues over the past week or so, and they really started on Sunday, and they were really bad on Sunday because when I was trying to upload the episode the first time, it wouldn't even want to upload. So now we're going to try to upload this episode this time, and if you're watching it and seeing it, it means it was successfully uploaded. Waiting in traffic right now, or make that waiting at a stoplight. Oh, the light just turned green, so we can go. And right now we are on Meridian Street. And it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning when this was filmed. And this was back in September, I think. Yes, it was back in September. The light's red here. Lights turn green. Up there on the left is the Landmark Center. If you could see it. Actually, I don't know if we're right by it. No, I'm sorry, that's not the Landmark Center. I'll point out the Landmark Center when we get to it. Actually, you can probably see it now. That building right there to the left, the one that's kind of roundish shape. And we're kind of tapping on our brakes a little bit here. But yes, when we go under this bridge, on our left will be the Landmark Center, and on the right will be NBC 13. And right there is NBC 13. Just kind of give you an idea of what's going on. You've seen part of this road before, but you've seen it in an afternoon drive. But we're going to be making a right here. And you can probably see down the ways the people mover tracks. A little bit of a bumpy ride, I have to say. And next week on DEVM, so that way you guys are curious, it's our season finale. Actually, not really next week, but actually it's going to be on Saturday when we post the season finale. However, I'm thinking about moving that to Monday. because of the Super Bowl. I was going to post it originally on Saturday, but I need to double check some content in there. Make sure that I don't need to re-record anything. Just simple stuff. And right there's the People Mover track. And it's actually looking pretty good for an early morning drive. And you know what I might just do is I might drop you guys off at the entrance of the IU Hospital parking garage. Or at least one of the entrances. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you kind of a clue to what's coming up next week, or make that next season, Season 5's premiere. It's going to be somewhat different and somewhat interesting. And here's the clue. We'll see you next week on DEVM for the season finale. Take care, everybody.